The mission of Visalia Unified School District is to provide an education for our students that affords them limitless opportunity for the future. Part of making that future real for kids is providing facilities, and a new high school is central in that particular work for us.
I've been involved with Visalia Unified in helping them find property for different charter schools. The quality of our schools in Visalia plays into a big part of decision makers and companies that are looking to employ people in Visalia. Quality of campuses play a big part into that, and the community wants to see that we care about education.
The passage of Measure E was fundamental to the construction of Ridgeview Middle School. We were able to, with the funding, develop a facility that emphasizes science and technology, specifically our robotics program, where kids are able to use hands-on science and mathematics, where they're able to build, design, and create, look at engineering concepts, programming concepts. These were all very tangible ways that this school, thanks to the funding of Measure E, was able to address some of the 21st century learning needs of our students. Another key component of the construction of the school was really helping deal with the overcrowding of the Northwest community. This part of Visalia is continuing to grow, and students were bused to many different middle schools. One of the concerns I have as we move forward is where will our students attend high school after Ridgeview? Our high schools are impacted with size. So as we move forward, a design of a new high school directly west would help ease the overcrowding and get our high schools at a more reasonable level of student enrollment at each high school.
Visalia Unified has to address two different kinds of needs in our community. One is to create new schools for the growth in the community. We're a growing community, and that's a great thing to have. And so we address that growth with new schools. But we also have many existing schools that need to be upgraded over time. And we have identified over $110 million worth of needs in those existing schools to bring them up to the same standard as those new schools. Playground improvements were important to us back when we started Measure E in 2012. And so we wanted to be able to go across the district and replace them with more active play in the composite materials. And we were able to do that across many school sites to improve the play and active play for our students. We've been able to put solar into about 28 of our school sites, and we're able to save almost $1 million a year in energy savings.
The additional building behind me now doubled the number of classrooms that's currently on this site. Ranger Hall was an important piece of adding to our growing population here at Redwood High School, and it just adds to the beauty of our campus.
Planning for the future is one of the most important things that the school board does. We've been able to maintain our growth with support from the community. Our next step would be a new high school. We have the property, we've been planning, we are ready.